Hi traders, if you've recently subscribed to my channel, then thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe and keep up to date with my analysis. Now the pound yen last week did make a gain, but rather range bound up at these high levels. We may well just stay in the range, so at the start of the week I would watch 184.54. Does that remain as support? Does it once more retest 185.77? We could break higher, the yen is remaining weak. We could break higher towards the high of the year at 186.75, or simply remain range bound. So we could just keep trading between support and resistance through the course of the week. Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time.